Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create subscriber-only post on Substack. To create a subscriber-only post on the Substack web app, these are the steps that you need to follow. Open the Substack web app and sign in with your credentials if prompted. Then, in the left-hand navigation menu, go ahead and click on the plus icon and select Note or long-form post. So let's say Notes is for standard post, then long form post is for more detailed post. So I'm going to click on long form post, and that's going to take me to my post editor. In the editor, create your post by adding your title, adding the content, adding the image, and any other elements you wish to include. Now, once you have made your post and you are sure that everything is A-OK and complete, go ahead and click on the settings icon, which is located in the bottom right corner, to access additional options. Now, in the settings page, find the visibility option. We're going to find a visibility option, which is here, and that's the best box. This post is for, and then you have two options: everyone and paid subscribers only. Select paid subscribers only, which is here. Now, for you to do this, you have to turn on paid subscriptions for your post. So click on this hyperlink that says turn on paid subscriptions, and once you're done following the necessary steps to turn on paid subscriptions, come back to the settings menu and click on this box, on this circle here that says paid subscribers only. Now, once you're done, you're going to see an option for you to save. Hit the save button, and this setting will be applied automatically when selected, so you can close the settings menu. So once you've chosen that and you see the save button, if you see the save button, click on it. But if you don't find the save button, just know that it has been automatically selected. Now, once you're done, go back, and when your post is ready, go ahead and click on continue, and that's going to take you to the publish window, and go ahead and click on confirm post to confirm your post. When your post is ready, go ahead and click on confirm, and that's it. Ensure that once your post has been published, ensure that you confirm that only subscribers or only paid subscribers is selected in the publish options. That's it. Just ensure that that is what you selected. Once published, your post will only be accessible to the selected group of subscribers, and non-subscribers will not be able to view the full content. And that's it. Your post is now live and limited to subscribers as specified. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.